Hello! Today I will be providing you with all the features and benefits of our Philips Coreline slim down lights. First, let's talk about energy efficiency. These slim down lights save up to 66% energy compared to conventional lighting. Additionally, provides an efficacy of up to 100 lumens per watt. With a lifetime of 50,000 hours, you don't have to worry about light maintenance and replacements for a very long time. The slim down lights are equipped with color temperatures of 3000 Kelvin and 4000 Kelvin. They come in 3 lumen output versions of 650, 1100 and 2100 lumens. The housing color and rim is white, while the optical cover is opal. We have 2 versions available, surface mounted and recessed, so you can get the perfect fit for your ceiling. Good to know is that Coreline slim down lights have an IP44 rating to protect against any splashes. Furthermore, they have push-in connectors and spring fasteners for an easy, fast installation.